For many seniors, coffee is just a morning habit, a warm start to the day. But what most people don't know is that after the age of 60, your daily cup of coffee can either steal your strength or help rebuild it faster than expensive supplements. As we age, the body naturally loses muscle, around 8% every decade after 60. This loss raises your risk of falls, fractures, slower recovery, and even early death. But here's something surprising. When you combine coffee with certain natural ingredients, your morning drink becomes a powerful health booster. Hidden in several overlooked studies, these ingredients have been shown to reduce inflammation, protect your heart, melt stubborn belly fat, improve circulation, and even rebuild lost muscle. There's no marketing behind them because big companies can't make billions from natural foods. But today, on Senior's Health Secret, you'll learn 8 science-backed additions for your coffee, ranked from number 8 to number 1. And trust me, don't skip number 4. One study showed it improves mobility in seniors by over 40%. Before we start, tell me in the comments, how old are you, where are you watching from, and how has your health been lately? We read every comment. Number 8. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is one of the simplest and most powerful things you can add to your morning coffee, especially after the age of 60. Most people only think of cinnamon as a spice for desserts or the holidays. But inside this warm, familiar flavor is a surprising ability to protect your muscles, stabilize your energy, and support healthy aging. For seniors, cinnamon becomes more than a flavor. It becomes a daily tool for stronger muscles and better health. One of the biggest problems seniors face is unstable blood sugar. When blood sugar rises and crashes throughout the day, your muscles stop receiving steady fuel. This makes your legs feel weak, your energy drop, and your body break down muscle faster than it can rebuild it. Cinnamon helps control this issue. It slows the release of sugar into your bloodstream, keeping your energy stable and reducing pressure on your muscles. This alone can improve strength, balance, and overall vitality. Cinnamon also contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that support good circulation. When circulation improves, oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles more effectively. Many seniors who add cinnamon to their morning coffee notice lighter legs, fewer afternoon crashes, and more energy during daily tasks. Using cinnamon is easy. Just half a teaspoon in your coffee is enough to make a difference. For daily use, choose Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, because it's softer on the body and safe for regular consumption. A small change like this can quietly strengthen your mornings and protect your muscles over time. Number 7. Cocoa powder. Unsweetened cocoa powder is one of those ingredients that many seniors overlook, yet it offers powerful benefits when added to your morning coffee. This simple powder, often associated with hot chocolate, is actually rich in flavanols, natural plant compounds that support healthy blood flow, reduce inflammation, and improve muscle recovery. These benefits become especially important after 60. When circulation naturally weakens and muscles receive less oxygen and fewer nutrients. When circulation slows, seniors often notice heavy legs, stiffness in the morning, and quick fatigue during walks or household tasks. Adding just 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder to coffee can help reverse these issues. The flavanols in cocoa help your blood vessels relax and open up, allowing oxygen-rich blood to reach your muscles more efficiently. This results in improved stamina, easier movement, and a noticeable boost in daily energy. Another advantage of cocoa is its ability to support heart health. Strong circulation benefits not only your muscles but also your brain and cardiovascular system. Cocoa's natural antioxidants help protect your arteries from inflammation and slow age-related decline. For the best results, always choose unsweetened natural cocoa powder, not sweetened mixes. These mixes contain sugar, which can increase inflammation and harm muscle health. Natural cocoa blends smoothly with hot coffee, creating a rich, satisfying flavor without adding calories or unhealthy ingredients. This simple morning habit can help strengthen your legs, support your heart, and give you steadier energy throughout the day, all from a single spoonful stirred into your coffee. Number 6. Coconut oil or MCT oil. Coconut oil and MCT oil have become popular in recent years, but for seniors, they offer benefits far beyond modern trends. After the age of 60, many people notice their energy drops quickly. Their mind feels foggy, and their muscles tire faster during simple activities. This often happens because the body becomes less efficient at using sugar for energy. Coconut oil and MCT oil directly address this problem by providing a cleaner, more stable fuel source. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides, a type of fat that your body can convert into energy almost instantly. Unlike regular fats, MCTs do not need complex digestion. They quickly turn into ketones, which your brain and muscles can use right away. This helps seniors maintain steady energy without the crashes that come from sugar or carbohydrates. Adding just 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or MCT oil to your morning coffee can help reduce shakiness, prevent mid-morning fatigue, and improve focus. Many seniors also report fewer cravings throughout the day, especially cravings for sugary snacks. Over time, this can support healthy weight control and a stronger metabolism. Another important benefit is muscle support. When your body runs on steady fuel, your muscles receive consistent energy, allowing you to move more easily and stay active. Some seniors even notice lighter walking, better stamina, and improved mood. To start, use 1 small teaspoon blended into hot coffee. Blending is important because it creates a smooth, creamy texture and helps digestion. Increase slowly if your body responds well. This small addition can transform your morning coffee into a long-lasting source of strength and clarity. Number 5. Milk or soy milk. Adding milk or soy milk to your morning coffee may seem like a small choice, but for seniors, it can make a meaningful difference. After the age of 60, muscle loss becomes a serious concern. Your body naturally loses protein overnight, and rebuilding that protein is harder than it used to be. This is why many seniors feel weaker in the arms and legs, or notice simple tasks becoming more tiring. The easiest way to support your muscles first thing in the morning is by adding high-quality protein to your coffee. Milk provides complete protein containing all the essential amino acids your muscles need. One of the most important of these is leucine, which acts like a switch that signals the body to begin repairing and building muscle tissue. Even a half cup of milk can offer 4 to 6 grams of protein, enough to help slow down muscle breakdown after a night of fasting. Soy milk is also an excellent option, especially for those who prefer plant-based choices or are lactose intolerant. It provides a strong dose of protein along with isoflavones that support heart health and bone strength. Many seniors who switch to soy milk notice better energy, improved stability when walking, and a slight improvement in bone density over time. The key is to avoid sugary creamers. They add calories without nutrition and can harm your muscle and blood sugar health. Stick with plain milk or fortified soy milk for the best results. This simple addition turns your coffee into a small but effective muscle-supporting drink. Number 4. Collagen powder. Collagen powder is one of the most valuable additions seniors can stir into their morning coffee. While many people think of collagen only as a beauty supplement, its benefits go far deeper than skin. Collagen is the main structural protein that holds your muscles, joints, bones, and connective tissues together. After the age of 60, the body's natural collagen production drops every year, which is why stiffness, joint pain, slow recovery, and weaker muscles become more common. Adding 1 scoop of collagen powder to your morning coffee provides your body with essential amino acids like glycine and proline. These amino acids are the raw materials your joints and muscles need to repair themselves. Seniors who use collagen consistently often notice smoother movement, less joint discomfort, and better flexibility. Many also report that daily tasks like climbing stairs, gardening, or walking become easier with time. Coffee actually helps collagen work even better. The warmth of the coffee helps the powder dissolve smoothly. And the natural boost in circulation helps deliver the nutrients to your joints and muscles more effectively. This makes coffee an ideal way to take collagen each morning. Collagen also supports bone health, which becomes extremely important as fracture risks increase with age. Studies have shown that seniors who take collagen regularly experience better joint comfort, faster muscle recovery, and improved mobility. Collagen powder is tasteless, easy to mix, and gentle on the stomach. Just 1 scoop a day can help protect your independence by keeping your joints strong and your movement smooth. Number 3. Whey protein powder. Whey protein powder is one of the most important additions a senior can make to their morning coffee. Many people think protein powders are only for athletes or bodybuilders, but the truth is the opposite. After the age of 60, your body needs more high-quality protein, not less. This is because of a natural process called anabolic resistance. It means your muscles don't respond to protein the way they used to. A small amount of protein that once built muscle in your younger years barely makes a difference now. You need richer, more effective protein to trigger muscle repair. This is where whey protein becomes extremely helpful. Whey is rich in leucine, an amino acid that activates muscle building. Without enough leucine, your body struggles to repair worn-out muscle fibers, leading to weaker strength, slower walking, and a higher risk of falls. Adding a scoop of unflavored whey protein to your hot coffee gives your muscles exactly what they need to rebuild. Seniors who drink whey with their morning coffee often notice firmer muscles, easier movement, and better stability. Studies show that whey protein can improve walking speed, balance, and even hand strength, all important markers of independent living. The best form for seniors is whey isolate because it mixes smoothly and is easier to digest, especially for people sensitive to lactose. It has no sugar and no strong taste, so it doesn't change your coffee flavor. This small morning habit can help slow muscle loss, support healthy aging, and keep your legs strong for years to come. Number 2. Chia seeds. Ground chia seeds may look tiny, but they carry a surprising amount of strength for seniors. When added to your morning coffee, these small seeds become a powerful source of nutrition that directly supports muscle health, digestion, heart function, and energy levels. After the age of 60, many people struggle with issues like constipation, belly fat, slow digestion, inflammation, and muscle weakness. Chia seeds help address all of these at once. Chia is rich in 3 essential nutrients: fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant-based protein. Most seniors do not meet their daily needs for fiber or omega-3 south, and this deficiency makes aging feel heavier and more tiring. Fiber helps regulate digestion and stabilizes blood sugar, which prevents sudden fatigue during the day. Omega-3 south reduce joint stiffness and inflammation, making walking and movement easier. The protein in chia helps protect your muscles from age-related decline. The key to getting maximum benefit is to use ground chia seeds, not whole. Whole seeds often pass through the digestive system without being absorbed. When ground and mixed into hot coffee, chia releases its nutrients more effectively and forms a smooth, slightly creamy texture. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons can improve digestion, support healthy weight control, and give your muscles steady energy. Many seniors also report feeling lighter, having less bloating, and noticing more comfortable movement during their morning routines. This simple, inexpensive addition strengthens your muscles from within and helps your body age with better balance, energy, and comfort. Number 1. Turmeric with black pepper. Turmeric with black pepper is one of the most powerful natural combinations a senior can add to their morning coffee. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its strong anti-inflammatory effects. As we age, inflammation becomes one of the biggest silent problems in the body. It causes joint pain, stiffness, swelling, muscle weakness, slower recovery, and even memory issues. For many seniors, these changes feel like an unavoidable part of aging. But daily turmeric can help reduce this inflammation from the inside. On its own, curcumin does not absorb well into the bloodstream. That's why adding a small pinch of black pepper is essential. Black pepper increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, turning a simple spice into a highly effective natural medicine. When mixed with hot coffee, the warmth helps release curcumin's benefits even more. Seniors who use turmeric and black pepper regularly often notice less joint pain, easier movement in the morning, and better comfort during walking, bending, and lifting. Many also feel improvements in mood and mental clarity since inflammation affects both the body and the brain. Turmeric also supports heart health by improving blood flow and protecting blood vessels. Using it is simple. Stir half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of pepper into your hot coffee. If the taste feels strong at first, you can add a little cinnamon or honey to balance the flavor. This golden mixture helps protect your joints, muscles, and heart, giving you smoother movement and better strength as you age. A small daily habit can make a big difference in long-term mobility and comfort. Now that you've learned all 8 powerful additions for your morning coffee, it's clear that small changes can create big results, especially after the age of 60. Coffee is already a daily habit for millions of seniors, and combining it with the right natural ingredients transforms it from a simple drink into a tool for better strength, energy, and long-term health. Each ingredient supports your body in a different way. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar, giving you steady energy. Cocoa powder improves circulation so your muscles receive more oxygen. Coconut or MCT oil provides clean, long-lasting fuel for both your body and your brain. Milk or soy milk adds essential protein to protect your muscles from overnight loss. Collagen supports your joints and bones, helping you move more comfortably. Whey protein gives your muscles the high-quality nutrients they need to grow stronger. Ground chia seeds supply fiber, omega-3 south, and plant protein to support digestion, heart health, and muscle strength. And turmeric with black pepper fights inflammation, which is one of the biggest causes of pain, stiffness, and weakness as we age. Together, these simple additions can help you maintain independence, reduce discomfort, and feel more confident in your everyday movements. You don't need all 8 at once. Start with 1 or 2 and build up slowly. The key is consistency. Your morning coffee can either speed up aging or support healthier aging. With these ingredients, it becomes a small daily routine that strengthens your body from the inside out. If you found today's information helpful, make sure to like this video so more seniors can discover these simple health secrets. Don't forget to subscribe to Seniors Health Secret for more easy, science-backed tips to stay strong after 60. Also, tell me in the comments which coffee addition will you try first. Your experience may help someone else begin their own health journey.